The available remote engine start feature lets you start the vehicle before you get to it, so the cabin is preconditioned when you get in to drive. The remote engine start system on this vehicle is designed to work within a range of about 100 feet if unobstructed, and somewhat less if buildings or other objects are between the remote and the vehicle. To use the system, first press the lock button on the remote. Within 5 seconds, press and hold the remote start button. The engine may take a few moments to start. When the engine starts, the vehicle will flash the turn signals 6 times. Once started remotely, the engine will run for 10 minutes and then shut off. You can extend the running time for another 10 minutes by repeating the start procedure during the initial period. And you can stop the engine remotely by pressing the remote start button again. The signals will flash once when the engine stops. The climate control system in the vehicle will seek to establish a temperature of 72 degrees in the cabin. On warm days, it will use the air conditioning system in recirculation mode. On cold days, the heater and defrosters will be engaged. Note that the front seat heaters in vehicles so equipped will come on in low mode to take the chill off the seats, but the indicator light will not illuminate. While the engine is running, you can approach and enter the vehicle as you normally would with the smart entry remote in your possession. To begin driving, you must still depress the brake pedal and push the engine start-stop button. To prevent dangerous carbon monoxide buildup, make sure the vehicle is located outside in a well-ventilated place. And if the second remote is in the vehicle, it can be locked with the other remote, but the remote engine start feature will not work.